In this video, let's see what is conditional statement. So, the statement is a set of instruction. So there are conditional statement means the statement which contains some condition based on which the code is executes. In conditional statement, there are three types: single condition, multiple condition, and multi-level condition. Let's see one by one what it is. First one, the single condition. Single condition is a condition that have only one condition. Based on that, it will execute. Example for single condition. For example, I have the A value of 5 and the B value of 6. Then I write the condition. For condition, we use if. So I define if condition. Then I will write the condition like A greater than is greater than sorry the A is greater than B, and I put colon. Then this is called as indentation. So it defines that when you put colon, it holds the true part is upcoming is the true part of that condition. Means it gives us four spaces or one tab space from the line. So this is called as indentation in Python. So indentation will use it to define the block of code. So this if condition true part will start here. If it is true, if A is greater than B, the true value I want to print like print yes, okay, print yes, A is greater than B. Okay, A is greater than B. Or if it is false, else colon print no, A is not greater than B. So I will run this code. Okay. So it gives like A is no, A is sorry. A is not, I will run this code. A is not greater than B because A is smaller here. So what it means is the single statement is a statement that have single condition. It's a single condition. Only one condition is here. So the true part is here and the false part is here. So in this statement, it's a conditional statement. Only one condition. So this is called as single condition. So now what is a multiple condition? The name says, likewise the name says, the multiple condition is the condition that have more than one condition. In this statement, we have only one condition, right? If you have more than one condition, like for example, I have the C value as for example 7. So I need to put another condition over here that by putting ampersand or and anything is okay, and A is greater than C, and here and C and C. Okay, then I run this code. So no, A is not greater than B and C. So if I change the value to 10, let's see what will happen. It's giving an error. Okay, here I need to put A. Then here C. Okay, then run the code. Yes, A is greater than B and C. So in this code we need to understand that this is a multiple condition. There are multiple conditions in one statement, because first it check A is greater than B and it check A is greater than C. If the both the conditions satisfied, then only it execute this. Otherwise it will execute this. If I put or over here, it will check any one of the conditions true, then it will execute this code. If any all the condition false, then it execute this code. So this is a multiple condition. So the single condition, that is, we have only one condition in single condition. Multiple condition means we have two condition in a statement. This is called as multiple condition. So what is multi-level condition? So I will explain with an example. Multi-level condition means we have the if condition like nested if. We have one if condition inside another if condition. So that is called as multiple level condition. For example, I have the salary like salary of rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Then I check if salary is less than 25,000. Okay. The salary is less than 25,000. I want to print salary print salary is below 25,000. Okay, and I include another condition over here. If salary is less than or equal to 1 lakh, equal to 1 lakh, then I want to print salary is more than 25,000 and below 1 lakh. So this is my code. In this code I have two if condition. First it check whether the salary is less than 25,000. If it is yes, it will execute this code. Then it check this code like if the salary is less than or equal to 1 lakh, then you will execute this code. If it is false, then the else would be print salary is more than 1 lakh. Okay, this is my code. We'll run this. So salary is more than 25,000 and below 1 lakh, because I given the salary as 1 lakh. Now I make it to 10,000, then run the code. So salary is below 25,000. Then sorry, I have to give elif. Okay, elif, I run this code. So salary is below 25,000. So I first check this code. This code will check first this statement, this condition. If this is true, then you'll execute this and come out of the loop. If this is false, then it goes to another if condition, that is else if salary is less than 1 lakh. If it is 1 lakh, then it execute this. If it's not less than 1 lakh, then it execute this. So if I give like more than I will give 12 lakh, then it should be give this result. Let's see what will happen. So the salary is more than 1 lakh. So this is my code. In this code, I have multiple if conditions. So this is called as multi-level condition. The first one is single condition, means I have only one condition in my statement or the code. Multiple condition means I have two condition. Multi-level condition means I have two multiple levels of condition, like if, else if, like that.